Hey all, it's Joe with Buddylytics, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your Facebook business URL. So you'll just log into regular facebook.com. You don't have to go to the business.facebook or anything like that. On the top right, you want to open up your profile list and ensure that you're selecting the correct profile. Once you have that selected, you want to click Settings and Privacy. It'll open up another menu. You want to click Settings again. And now that we have this open, under Audience and Visibility, you want to work your way down to Page Setup. And then you'll click on the first item, which is going to be your page name. And then under Username, this is where it gives you the option to actually change your URL. And all of these have to end up being unique. So usually you want to have the same brand consistency in case you have a YouTube channel, an Instagram channel. Another way I got around this, in case the business name is taken, then basically you would write the business name and then official or something else just to maintain that brand consistency. But just for an example, it's going to let you know if the username is available. Great. I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to change that URL. But otherwise, it's going to be facebook.com and then your business name. Hopefully that was helpful. It takes just a couple minutes and you'll be ready to go. I think usually it takes 24 or 48 hours to be approved. Worst case scenario, but otherwise, super easy, straightforward process. And if this video was helpful, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. All right, thank you.